Look, DJ. DJ's Ultimate Adventures. Good morning, everybody. Look. We're across the street at a neighbor's house. We're in North Carolina. This is DJ's mom. And we're at the neighbor's house across the street, and he has his own goats. Hey, guys. Nah. Look. Uh-oh. Nah. Uh-oh. Look at the little babies. Oh, uh-oh. He trying to get through here. Look. They can't jump over this?
No, they probably could, but they don't.
They don't. Okay.
I turn them out sometimes, let them go around the edge. I mean, you see how they don't clean the wood?
I know. Yeah.
Don't put your fingers there, because I don't know if they like food. Yeah, they got teeth. They're liable to bite. The chickens are here. Look, here's more coming.
They probably down the hill somewhere in the woods scratching.
Oh.
Oh, yeehaw.
Wow.
Oh, you doing pie?
Oh. Watch your fingers, DJ. Watch your fingers, DJ.
Oh.
Hey, oh. Uh-oh. DJ's going. DJ's going. You was running. You thought the ghost was after you?
No ghosts are killing me.
They get.
I'm Mr. Kicks.
I don't think they want your shirt, DJ. Look at that. Oh my! And he's back there. Look. They don't bother him.
They follow him. Ain't that something?
Oh my!
They know him.
Yes.
Ain't that something?
Oh look, we made a little friend here with his name.
I'm a friend. Look out here.
Yes. Hi. He said, "Listen, don't bother me." Oh look, DJ, there's a chicken.
Chicken, DJ.
Oh my goodness. I see him underneath the
Chicken.
there you go.
Damn chicken.
We see one chicken. That's a healthy chicken.
Look how they follow.
Oh look.
Look at there. There's one right there.
They're right there.
There's one right there.
Oh look, he's feeding. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh. Oh my goodness. Now how long have you had these goats? How long have you had them?
They heard from the last, what?
5 years.
But I've been getting other stuff.
Okay.
So what do they do with them? When you get rid of them, what do they do with them?
You eat them?
Eat them?
Yeah.
Eat them?
Go high, you know.
What?
Wow.
What?
So about $80 to $90 per goat. Wow.
I got tired of 120.
Wow. Yes. I'm doing a video. Yes.
Put it on Facebook.
I'm gonna put it on his YouTube channel. But the DJ's Ultimate Adventures is running from the from the dog and the chicken. DJ, where you going? Oh, you try not to talk? Okay. Alright guys, DJ don't know what to do when he's on the phone. Oh, DJ, come on, let's watch the eggs. Look, let's go find the eggs. Wow. Okay, we got fresh garden. They kind of joking on us because we from New York and like we don't know nothing about this, and I don't. But this is fresh stuff out here. Oh look, we're going to. The inside over here. Oh.
Chicken?
Oh, Oh, the chickens are over there.
Yeah, the chicken over there.
Oh,
Hi,
okay.
hi. Come over here. Chick. Come here. Come here, chick. That's what my grandmother said.
Is it DJ? How they sound like DJ? DJ.
I'll eat you. Come on.
How you gonna call him over here talking about I eat you? DJ.
Rooster, yonder. See the rooster?
Now, how do you can't tell the difference between a rooster and a chicken?
Something about this.
Oh, the colorful head, the tail. Okay. Don't trust you on that. Oh wait, these are the eggs. Wait, he has a thing in here that you keep. Oh, so they lay eggs in there, or you just keep them in eggs in here? You put them in. Okay. So these are. Hold on, guys. These are like fresh eggs off the farm. He just puts them in a container. Wow.
Fresh eggs.
Fresh eggs. Oh my goodness.
And they are good too.
Yeah, I know they are.
They are good.
Oh my God.
I know, that's why his wife doesn't eat them.
No? Why? Because they off the farm.
Like she used to do.
Yeah.
Huh?
She grew up, that's what she
Yeah.
said, right?
When she was one of her grandmother, I used to do it, she had.
Wow.
Now she won't eat them.
No. Where's DJ Ultimate Avengers? He didn't left us. Yes.
She wanted to know how you tell a rooster,
Rooster from the.
rooster and a chicken.
Yeah, how do you tell the difference?
The rooster, you said?
I seen the. Oh. Oh, the
Those
hens.
are hens over there.
Oh. So you have hen, chickens, and roosters. Oh my goodness.
Keep her head and fat them. See that one where around the corner?
Yeah.
That is a rooster. Let me go next one of them.
Oh my goodness. So he's gonna go.
That's the tractor right there.
Oh my goodness. And it still operates? No way.
That's his tractor.
And it still runs.
Hey, Buttero, don't your tractor run?
It still works?
Run, right? Your tractor.
Well, it's a regular
Uh-huh.
But
Okay.
You use it, right? Yeah.
Okay.
That's his tractor right there.
Oh, let me sneak and look at the tractor, you guys. It looks a little old, so I didn't know if it worked or not. But this is a tractor, guys. This is a little... Yeah. Oh my goodness. DJ! DJ! Leave that dog alone. Leave that dog alone. Oh no. Oh. Yeah.
Look at that pretty black one over there.
I see.
Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? See, they know him.
goodness.
See how they know him.
Oh my goodness. DJ!
Isn't it amazing? See, they know him.
Oh, I see. There you go. They're looking.
As soon as he got in the gate, they came up before he went.
Wow.
in.
Now, what is this right here? What is that right there?
That's a barn, I think.
Really?
I'm not sure. He can
Okay.
He probably does something with that.
And now, where do they lay their eggs at? Okay. Oh, here come the goats.
Also, he generates his own heat.
What?
There's something that he does.
Okay.
Hey, George, what do you do with your wood to heat your house? Don't you heat your house with something out here in the yard?
Yeah, with the wood.
Okay.
They like that, but stacked up on the chain.
Uh-huh. Okay, you burn it and then...
In the house, right.
Okay.
I use gas, but Johnny still won't have use.
What his mama does too.
I know, yeah.
This up shit.
Uh-oh, here they come. Uh-oh. DJ! Come over here. They got the chickens. DJ! Come, they got the chickens. Oh, there you go. Come look. They got the chickens. Look over here. Come look. They got chickens. Look at it. You see the chickens? Here.
I'm taking the black
See-
dog.
Oh wow! Look at that. Is it a stove or a contraption that distributes the heat? Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. They are running. Look, look, look. Oh yeah.
He doesn't have a tail.
Uh-oh. He has a tail. It's kind of like
Oh.
all the poops.
Oh, let's see.
They're running. Look, look, look. He said anything about that corn.
Well, that's good, George. That's good.
Oh, wow.